Hello everyone, I am the Superpower Pie, and I am doing an unboxing slash build of this new Lego set that I got just today. It's the, let me see, it's the A-Wing versus TIE Silencer Microfighters. It's pretty cool. Just kind of got this because I felt like it. But, yeah, it's these Microfighters, you know, and it's got this, Resistance Fighter, A-Wing Pilot, as it says down there. You guys can see that. A-Wing Pilot, and it's also got Kylo Ren, which looks pretty darn cool. And it's got the A-Wing and the mini Kylo Ren TIE Fighter. So we're just gonna open this up. I'll do like a speed. And these Lego boxes are different. This is a different box. What the heck? Why are the boxes designed differently? I swear this is different from the last time I got a Lego set. Oh, it's got a little tear thing right here I didn't see. Let me get a close-up on that. Yeah, it's got that. Okay. I see now. I see. Oh, here. Well, let me get a good shot. I just want you guys to see nothing. That doesn't make a good video. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this isn't working all that well. Might have to get my knife. My big knife. It's a big fillet knife I got for Christmas one year. It's this. See that? See that? It's a nice knife. It's got some writing on it. I never actually took the time to read that writing. Okay. Just get it. I just brushed my laptop with the. Oh no! Get open. Open. Get. Good shot of that. Yeah. Okay, so let me open it. Hold on. Stab it. Because that's going to help. Here we go. I made a hole there with my trusty fillet knife. Look at that. Look at that close-up shot. I stabbed my toy Triceratops from when I was a kid. Just tear that right open. Yeah, alright. Okay, we're gonna break the box a little. Yeet! Oh, it's got two separate direction books. Look at that. One for the TIE Fighter and one for the A-Wing. Nope, nothing else in there. Which one should we build first? Build the A-Wing first. Okay, I'm gonna speed up the building process here. It's gonna be like time-lapsed, hopefully. I don't know, maybe I can make it like that. Probably not. Go wrong. Anyway, so yeah. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go see my sister's home. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back to where we left off, right? I got the thing all fixed that I had broken, and it's all back to normal now. So I should be able to... It's not back to normal. Never mind. Oh no. Not good. I don't... Did I... Hold on. Let me go back and look at some of the directions, because apparently I didn't do this right. So hold on. Hold on. We gotta do this, right? We gotta do this, and then we gotta do... What do we gotta do? Okay. Okay, clearly I've done something wrong here. So I'm gonna go back and look at some of the directions. We will go... You're just gonna... What the heck? Okay. Here. And, okay. I have messed so much up. Hold on, guys. I have a tool that can help me here. In my arsenal of Legos, I have what... darn charger. Put my knee right on it and kind of crouch down. I have one of these. These are super... God darn it. These are super useful for getting pieces out and all that. So I will use this to put everything back where it's supposed to. There we go. See how easy that is? See how easy it is. Buy a Lego thing. Piece removal thing. Tool. Whatever. I don't even care what you want to call it. What you want to call it. Yeah. Okay, so it's actually been a few hours. I went out to eat with my family for a bit, which was pretty fun. But, yeah. But I am back now. And I have... Okay, now I can really get back to where I left off. Perfect. Finally. I can do this right. Okay. I'm gonna put this back in here so I can move the arms. Right there. Perfect. Alright. So, what else do we have here? Okay, I got this. Here. Very good. So I'm probably going to time osmosis building. However, if I don't figure it out, I'm going to do a commentary anyway. Actually, you might even be able to hear it. It's not sped up as much. So everything sounds really sped up and high-pitched. You might still be able to hear it. Well, I mean, like, if it's not really sped up, so, and black out sound, I should say. However, you might still be able to hear my voice, even though it's sped up. That happens with when you go into YouTube and edit your videos, and you speed it up, you can still hear your voice. I only need one of these. One of these pieces. One of these right here. There you go. Pieces right here. We need two of these, which are the same thing, except they're blue. Oh, on there. There you go. These are two white spots. So I got this here. This part that it attaches onto here. How does that attach on? Ah, I see. Okay. Oh, we're almost done with the A-wing. Great. Okay. And I think these are both the same thing on the directions, if I'm correct. So, hold on, let's look ahead and see if it says ×2. Okay, yeah, it does say ×2, so we're gonna build these just kind of together at the same time. Get a little bit of time here. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. So we got these here. So far, I guess they're not done yet, so I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. So these look like engines or something. Yeah, these are engines is what they are. And these go in here like this, and I believe that's the A-wing done. That is looking sick. Look at that. And is the A-Wing done? Oh, no, not yet. We still got a few more finishing touches to add. Like the kind of flame kind of effect. We'll call it an effect on the engines. Got the glass and stuff and the seat. So not quite finished yet, just some finishing touches. And we gotta make the missiles, which yep are like this. Literally just 3 pieces. Some of these flick missiles are so they're called or 2. And then we got Kylo Ren's fighter to make, which would be really cool. So, this is the A-Wing. This is the character that, darn it, I'm kind of a noob, guys. I'll try and go that way, but it'll go, yeah, I'm sorry. Because it goes the opposite on my screen. It's really annoying. So yeah, got the person, and let's get in position, and there we go. Look at that. Nice, we got the Resistance fighter. So, and yeah, that is the A-Wing Microfighter done. Now, we move on to Kylo Ren's TIE Fighter, which will be super cool. I can't wait for this one. I saved the best for last. Kylo Ren is super cool. He's pretty darn cool in the movies, in the new trilogy. I can't wait. Okay, so let's open this up. So let's start on Kylo Ren's X-Wing. TIE Fighter? No, TIE Fighter, not X-Wing. Have I been calling it an X-Wing? I don't know how many if I called it an X-Wing at all, but it's a TIE Fighter, not an X-Wing. Which expression should we go for? Should we go for the angry expression, or should we go for the calm expression? I like that one. I like that one. Hair on. Yeah. Okay, where are his legs? Here they are. He doesn't have any like extra leg pieces that he needs to go on, as if it was like a cape or anything. He got his lightsaber hilt here. We got the cross guards, which is looking pretty cool. Where's that? Aha, the hilt. So there's his lightsaber. Oof. Which looks great. So there we go, we got Kylo Ren. Move this off to the side. Put that there. good camera shots. I've never really done an unboxing, and certainly haven't done a Lego build on the channel, so I'm kind of a noob. I am a noob. Me and Joshua Kurtner and the Magic Raptor, who is now Mr. McRaptor. Go subscribe to Mr. McRaptor. He's the Magic Raptor. You guys all know the Magic Raptor. I've done plenty of videos with him. Same person, different channel, because he came to the conclusion that his channel was hacked. So, that his channel was hacked. It had all these weird subscriptions that he hadn't subscribed to, and for some reason he was subscribed to them. So, I don't know. Maybe it was just a glitch. Maybe his channel was hacked, but he decided he didn't want to take chances of it being hacked, so he started a new channel. So, yeah. Go subscribe to Mr. McRaptor. He doesn't have too many videos out. I think he only has one real one. The other one is just like an intro to his channel.
What? Am I missing pieces? Or did I just not see them? I don't know. Oh, let me look at my laptop. I think I'm missing pieces, guys. Since I need the black top pieces, but there are no left. There's... Maybe I don't need to make another one. No, I need to make... Oh, this isn't good. I'm missing a piece. I should sue. Dang. Oh, here it is. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Sorry, guys. Just kind of tucked away out there. Got nervous there for a second. I was missing a piece. That would have been good. It was just kind of tucked away back there behind the baggage and behind the bags and the main piece. But that's okay. We got it. So it's all good. It's all good.
Okay, so now we connect them. And then I think, besides maybe some finishing touches like the last one, the set, or the TIE Fighter, I keep wanting to call it an X-Wing. Oh, I see. Okay. So, in the little spaces in between these, we put these. I see. Clever. Clever. Okay. There we go. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, now we gotta make the flick missiles, as Lego calls them. I don't know what I used to call them. I think I just call them missiles. And yeah, it's done. So we got the X-Wing. Or no, not X-Wing. It's a TIE Fighter. Darn it! It's a TIE Fighter. Sorry, guys, I can't get a good shot. It's a TIE Fighter. Kylo Ren's TIE Fighter from The Last Jedi. Then here we got Kylo Ren. Darn it! My fingers in his face. We got Kylo Ren here. We're gonna put him in his ship. Perfect. Look at that. Alright, so let's do a quick review. So we got the A-Wing and the X-Wing. TIE Fighter, darn it. Gosh. And we got this little kind of toolkit here, which is pretty cool. Here, I'm going to put this behind there so you can see the wrench that's right here. So, yeah, so here's the A-Wing, which we built first. There's the underside. There's it from a sort of bird's eye view. And, yeah, there's the back with the Resistance pilot in it. We got Kylo Ren's TIE Fighter. which looks really cool actually. There's a top. There's what the bottom looks like. You can kind of see the missiles. They're hidden, which is quite nice actually. And there's what the back looks like. So yeah, that's the whole set. Let me just grab a box here. I kind of threw it on the floor, but yeah, I kind of threw it on the floor. No, I did throw it on the floor. So there's the box. There we go. There we go. So there's the box, and if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and check out the rest of the channel. I don't actually have any Lego stuff, if that's what you're looking for. I don't have any more of this. This is kind of this is the first time I've ever done something like this, like even an unboxing, really. So if you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I do all kinds of stuff, mostly games and stuff, but also stupid stuff and stuff like this. So yeah, it's Super Power Pie saying bye bye.